Inimbestigahan na ngayong araw ng Senate Committee on Women, Children, Family Relations and Gender Equality ni Senadora Risa Hontiveros ang naging panibagong school shooting incident sa Zamboanga City. Ayon nga kay Zamboanga City Police Officer City Director Police Colonel Fidel Fortaleza Jr., base nga raw sa kanilang investigasyon, nasa 2 katao ang namatay dahil sa pangyayaring ito, habang 2 rin ang idinala sa ospital, kung saan ang isa rito ay nadaplisan ng bala habang ang pangalawa naman ay nahimatay. Sa pagdinig nga, binanggit ni Fortaleza kung paano nakalusot ang bata at ang dala nitong armas papasok ng paaralan.
Pumasok ang bata na sakay po ng sasakyan nila na pick up, hinatid siya, na drop off lang po siya. Tapos po dumiretso siya sa ramp area kung saan hindi po talaga gate ng building. Doon po siya nagdaan. At naidala niya yung bag na kung saan nandoon po nakalagay yung mga pistol.
Sa ngayon nga, patuloy naman din ang kanilang pagbubukas sa cellphone ng bata.
Pero as of now po, on process pa po yung natin, yung gadget natin. And yung cellphone po kasi ng bata, iPhone 14 po. So medyo mataas yung yung security features niya.
Samantala, naniniwala naman si Ateneo de Zamboanga University Chairman Board of Trustees Pedro Soliven na totoong kasabihan na it takes a village to educate a child.
There's a saying that it takes a village to educate a child, and what is the most important is how the child behaves at home. For somebody like the one that perpetrated the crime, he was a normal kid, and he was even one of the brightest among the students in his level. In fact, he graduated valedictorian.
Sa kabilang banda, iginiit ni Senator Erwin Tulfo na hindi lang eskwelahan ang nabigo sa paggawa nito ng kanyang tungkulin, kundi ang lahat.
Not only in Zamboanga but also in Tacloban, Leyte, 2 shooting incidents. I think hindi lang po the school failed, everybody failed. The school, the family, the parents failed. Relatives of guardians of those children failed.
Sa huli nga, pinayuhan ni Tulfo ang mga magulang na huwag papabayaan ang kani-kanilang anak at kausapin at kamustahin ang mga ito.
Siguro po once in a while we have to say, kumusta anak, di ba? I mean, over dinner, over lunch, or during weekend. Just ask our child. This should be a lesson for everybody, for every parent attending here and listening to this hearing. Please talk to your children, talk to your child. Kung nag-iisa po yan, you think he's okay or she's okay, para malaman ho ninyo what's going on inside his or her mind.
In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Ann Cortas ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, the Music News Authority.